Hi, my name is Chris Guevara, and I will do my other biology project on squids. And in this video, I will be telling you their binomial name, uh, their life cycle and characteristics, their diet, their habitat, and their classification. Okay, so the squid is a creature that can live in saltwater or freshwater, and they look sort of weird. Yeah. So their binomial name is Mesosoni Chotuius Hamiltoni, and that's a weird name. Yeah. And as you can see right here, you can see some squids. They look pretty funny, and yeah. So their life cycle and characteristics is they can live in saltwater or freshwater, but they prefer to live in saltwater because I think that's healthier for them. Yeah, and they're very, if you've ever touched one, they're very soft. I've touched one before. They are pretty soft. And another thing of them is large squids can weigh up to 1,000 pounds or more, and that's like the giant squids, like the ones I'm talking about, and that's how much they could weigh up to. I don't know what's the other less they can weigh up to, but and they have this one sac of ink in them, and if they get mad or they think that something's bad, they'll rapidly squirt you or squirt the predator or whatever is happening to them. They will squirt them, and they can, like, if it gets in your eyes, I think that's pretty bad. And if you've ever seen a little one, those ones are 24 inches, and they can go from 24 inches all the way up to 40 feet. Their body is really complex, and as you can see, they're really weird. See, they have like a whole bunch of legs, and then they have their eyes and head, and their mouth is where their feet are, and it just got really complex. They look so weird. They have gills, and there's no need for them to go up for air, so they can just stay underground like forever, and they don't need to come up for air. That was my lifestyle and characteristics. Now I'll be telling you about their diet. What they eat is really weird. Like, I don't know how they could eat this, which is like, the large squid can eat up to baby whales down to schools of fish, like a lot of fish. And also, I don't know what you would call it. I don't know if it's like cannibals or something, or what you would call them, but they eat their own squid, their own babies. Sometimes if they get too hungry, they will eat other squids or their babies. I think that's just really weird because humans never eat their own babies. Okay, that was their diet. Their habitat is freshwater or saltwater, but they prefer to live in saltwater because there's like more varieties of food, living places, and it's just really bigger. A place where they do live a lot is like the Gulf of Mexico. If you've ever seen any there, like they're not just like one. There's like a ton, like just swimming around like in a group. They also live in Hawaii, California, and the North Pacific Ocean. They also live in China, in Bering Sea, and they also live in the Sea of Japan. And they only live mostly in oceans near Antarctica too. Like that's where you could find a ton of them. Their classification is I don't know really how to say this. I'm trying to read it off of my paper that I have here because I can't really memorize this. But it's Pyloma molluscus, and that means soft and plentiful. And they're also, their class is a Cephalida, which means intelligent muscles. And the other one is Tenutilida, which means speedy squid. And adult squids can grow up to 40 feet and weigh more than 1,000 pounds, while little baby squids are 24 inches as they're born to, I don't know how much they would weigh, but I'm pretty sure they don't weigh more than 1,000 pounds because that's just huge squids. Pretty sure they weigh like 20 pounds, maybe less when they were born. But yeah, this was Chris Cabrera doing my biology project on squids. Thanks for watching.